Hi, my name's Lauren Krug. Welcome to my mock classroom website. On the home page, you will find a nice motivational quote that I like all my students to live by, as well as a brief welcome paragraph. The quote that I like my students to read is, "Instead of trying to be the best in the world, try to be the best for the world." Anyway, if you go back to the top, you will find a little link called About Me. If you click on About Me, I included a nice paragraph explaining things that I like to do, what I like to read, and how I became a teacher, and what I'm looking forward to for the next upcoming year. If you go back to the top and go back to About Me, there's a drop-down link called Contact Information. If you click on Contact Information, you will find the address to the school and my contact information. The contact information includes the main office telephone number, my personal number for emergencies, my school email, and as well as my personal email for emergencies. If you click on the map to the left, it will help you find directions to the school if you are unsure how to get there. If you go back to the classroom after you find that and scroll back to the top, there's the Students Corner. Within the Students Corner, it will include our daily schedule, assignments, and class materials. So there's also a drop-down link, so if you click on our daily schedule, it will show you exactly what we were doing at what times. So if you are going to take your student out for a doctor's appointment, dentist, or something like that, I would really appreciate it if you went from sometime between 11:30 and 12:50, for that is lunch, recess, and our special. So it's the biggest gap in the day where we aren't focusing on academics. The weekly schedule for the specials are Monday gym, Tuesday's music, Wednesday gym, Thursday art, and Friday library. Okay, back to the top, go to Students Corner again, and go down to the second drop, which is assignments. The assignment shows what our weekly homework assignments are. So for Monday, we have our word study activity sheet number 1, our math sheet, and we're going to read 20 minutes. For Tuesday, we're going to have the word study activity sheet 2 and a math sheet, as well as reading 20 minutes, and so on. The only day we do not have homework is Friday, but I would really appreciate it if you read with your child for at least 20 minutes over the weekend, or more, because reading more builds the brain and makes everyone super, super ready for the week. Anyway, go back to Students Corner again, and if you drop down to Classroom Materials, it states everything that we will need for the full school year. So if you could bring your student into class with a pencil box, all-purpose glue stick, pre-sharpened pencils, pre-sharpened colored pencils, odorless dry erase markers, pencil top erasers, no toy erasers, please, because kids get very distracted, and student scissors. And if you can, please feel free to message me and we can work something out. Don't feel that this is an obligation for your student to bring, because I know that some people are very tight with money and it's a very understanding situation. So if you go back to the top, click on Parents Corner, and underneath Parents Corner, you'll find whatever newsletter it is for that month. So within the newsletter, you'll find everything you need to know for that specific month. So since this upcoming month is September, if you click on the link, it will bring you to the September newsletter. So basically it tells you what students have birthdays that month, the classroom supplies if you forgot it up there. We have my contact information again. We also have included important information for upcoming events. So September 3rd, we will not have school. September 4th is the first day of school. September 13th is the open house. September 26th, we have field permission slips due. We are actually headed to the aquarium. And October 17th will be our field trip to the aquarium. So please make sure that your student does not forget the field trip permission slip. If you scan this QR code up here, it will bring you to the Riverhead Aquarium website, and it will explain everything that we will be doing for the field trip. If you continue scrolling down to the second page of my newsletter, it is a calendar that you can print out, and it gives you everything you need to know, where if it's no school, if it's someone's birthday, open house, and different things that are due. And we even have a Pizza Friday once a month, which I really do think our students enjoy. Okay, back to our classroom. So that's our Parents Corner. If you then go to the top and click on Class Projects, you will find what we are working on in school. So the current project that we'll be doing in the month of September is our dream tree. Each student will have 3 handprints that they will get to write their goal or their dream for the upcoming school year in hopes that it will be come true by the end of the school year. This is an example of what our tree looked like last school year. It is something I really do like to work with my students because it gives us a chance to get very close to each other and open up a nice welcome project within my classroom. Okay, so back to the top, you click on quick links. You will find a few educational websites and Apple product apps that I find that your children will find very useful when they are struggling in different subjects or if they just want to play games. These are very good educational sites for your children. And if you click on the link, it will bring you straight to the website or to the app link stating what the app looks like and how to download it. So here's just for an example, the Starfall website. So it gives you all different activities that your student and child can do. Okay, so if we scroll back to the top, you'll also find, lastly, our school website. Our school website includes different various calendars and all of that good stuff. So if you click here, it will show you the events that are happening and all of that good stuff. If you want to message the principal or want to know about PTA meetings and all of that good stuff, it includes it all on the school website. So if you have any questions or cannot figure out the website, please go back to the contact information and get in touch with me, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much, and I look forward to having a great year with your child.